Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Scene's a little different. We're moving furniture around, so I just had to find a little corner where I could record real quick. Since our last check-in with modifications to Tesla, we've done a few more. We've debadged the car. There's no badges on the hood or on the trunk. We've blacked out the steering wheel emblem for the Tesla logo as well. The swivel screen has arrived, and now that's installed. Probably the best modification I've done so far to the car, honestly. It made such a big difference on the interior, and just having the screen be able to point towards you and angle it just right. Tilt screen's pretty neat. You could tilt it side to side. Like my angle from the driver's seat, it's just right there. Normally factory would be kind of like that. So yeah, huge difference. I like it. And the final mod we've done is we've installed the roof rack. It is from Tesla, so it's OEM, fits very nicely. They mount fairly simple, very clean. Comes with like a vinyl wrap to put under here so it doesn't scratch up your car. I like that there's no key, no nothing. This comes off to expose the key if you do need to take it off. This is what the racks look like from the interior. This is the front run, the rear rack. I haven't seen that much of a range difference with it. Yes, range has gone down, but not enough to really notice it. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.